If you think you need a $997 course to start making money online, I'm about to save you like 3 months of wasted effort. You don't need 10 modules or fancy slides. In fact, the product that made me my first $1,000 online was a 10-page PDF file. Nowadays, I see so many beginners build massive courses, stress over content, then launch to crickets. Why? Because no one trusts you yet. The better way, start small, start with the one quick win. Therefore, here are 5 products that you can create and sell this week. The first one pager PDF. Solve one problem fast. My first dollar playbook is a real example. Check the link in the description. Use Notion or Canva, export as PDF and upload to Gumroad or StanStore on Whop to start making sales. The second one is Notion template. Share your system, content planner, offer builder, productivity setup, everything you could plug and play and sell for a one-time offer. The third one, 7-day email challenge. Teach daily, build trust and sell on the day 7. The next one is swipe file, hooks, headlines, sales pages template, landing pages template, DM scripts, offers, and the last one, mini workshop. Open Zoom, teach for 30 minutes, record it, host it on Gumroad on Whop and sell it. You don't need fancy branding, you need clarity and results. So once you've got a product, here's how you can sell it in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Offer a freebie that solves 5% of the problem. The next step on the thank you page, offer your product as a tripwire. The second one, send 5 value-packed emails. And the last one, automate everything with tools like ManyChat if you drive traffic through Instagram, and Gumroad or StanStore or Whop to host and sell your offer or even host a freebie. This is the exact system I used, without expensive paid ads, without having 10k followers, without having 50k followers. I just made my first sale when I had like a 500 followers, without any courses. So if you want to build the same funnel that made me my first $1,000 online, click the link in the description to get a free playbook. You'll get the strategy, product ideas and the exact roadmap. And once you opt in, there is a special one-time builder that shows you exactly how to build it in step by step.